Today I'll show you how to make a simple animation video in Canva. It's super easy because Canva has many features to help you create animations. This tutorial is perfect for improving your presentations. We'll use the animation and transition features with Canva's elements. Let's get started. First, choose your canvas. You can change the background color. I'll use green. Next, insert an element by clicking the Elements menu on the left, then typing what you want and selecting it. I'll use a picture of people and make it bigger to fit the canvas. You can change the color of most elements in Canva by clicking the color bar in the upper menu next to the Animate. For this picture, we can change the colors of the face and clothes. Next, let's add a background picture. I'll search for a technology image in Elements. Right-click on it and choose Replace Background. Then, I'll lower the opacity to make it just slightly visible. Now, insert text by clicking the text menu and choosing the heading type. I'll use the Poppins font. There are many font options, so pick your favorite. I'll also add a logo and some wavy lines to fill the space at the top of the canvas. Let's add another page for more information. Click the Duplicate Page button at the top of your page, insert text and adjust the font. After adding elements and text, let's animate them. Click the Animate button on the top menu. Canva offers many animation options, such as basic and combination animations. You can animate each element separately by clicking on it and choosing an animation. You can also create your animation by selecting the element and dragging it around. It's super easy and cool, but I won't use it this time. Comment below if you want me to create a tutorial for this tool. Next, let's animate our second page. I'll use the pan animation for the entire page. To add a transition between the first and second pages, hover between the pages and click Add Transition. There are many transition options. Try them out and pick the best one for your video. I'll use the Line Wipe transition. Since this is a video, let's add some audio. Choose a background sound from Elements, adjust the timing and apply it to all pages. In the Audio Effects menu, add a fade out effect to the audio. And that's it. That's how you create a simple animation video in Canva. With Canva, you can make animation videos for free. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a like, comment below for any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Happy editing!